Well, that's a great question because especially when you're dealing with commercial property, you get a lot of one-offs and strange title issues that come up during the closing process. But I will say that probably one of the most common title issues are liens or mortgages that have been on title that should have been removed like 1 or 2 owners ago. The resolution to that, obviously, is your escrow agent will have to dig back, find the parties, and prepare necessary documents in order to get those off the title. Another maybe kind of common issue are encumbrances that show on title that create restrictions on the property. And so resolution right there is to really know your title documents, review those. Those restrictions could be in the form of air easements or building height easements or even access issues. And so right there is knowing what's on title and then deciding whether or not those issues are going to impede your intended use of the property. Another thing could be the errors in recording and recorded documents, such as wrong legal descriptions or wrong spellings of name. And believe it or not, those are issues that need to be handled and corrected. So those are usually done by a correction deed. There could also be other things with regard to boundary line disputes or encroachments on easements. There's 2 types of surveys, a boundary line survey, and that's going to immediately identify the boundaries. And from there, you've got a starting point as to where the boundaries are and to resolve any disputes. The second type of survey is an ALTA survey. This survey will uncover encroachments issues, sometimes uncover unknown issues. And so that's a good way to resolve your property and be insured against any unrecorded or off-record matters.